ever wondered about the top renewable stocks in India? Within the bustling energy landscape, India stands as a beacon of growth in the renewable sector, ranking 4th globally in installed capacity. Since 2014, India's renewable installation capacity has surged by an impressive 255%. Government initiatives, like the Prime Minister's solar scheme launched in 2024, further bolster this growth by aiming to install rooftop solar systems in homes. Now let's dig deeper into the top 5 renewable stocks in the country. First up, we have Adani Green Energy, a key player in India's renewable sector. This company is bustling with activity across 12 states. With 54 ongoing projects, Adani Green Energy is harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water to fuel India's green revolution. Clearly, Adani Green Energy has made its mark in the renewable sector. Next, let's talk about KPI Green Energy. This gem from the KP Group owns India's largest solar park, located in Gujarat. Selling solar power plants to captive power producer customers, KPI Green Energy boasts a cumulative power evacuation capacity of over 1,205 megawatts. With a market capitalization of over 9,403.97 crore rupees and an impressive 5-year return of over 6,000%, KPI Green Energy is definitely a company to watch out for. Moving on, we have Waaree Renewable Technologies. This subsidiary of the Waaree Group has completed over 10,000 solar power projects, boasting a total capacity of over 600 megawatts. Not only does the company provide floating solar solutions, it also offers ground-mounted solar and rooftop installations. With a market cap of approximately 9,686 crore and a return on equity of 65%, Waaree Renewable Technologies has shown impressive growth over the years. Up next, we have Kotyark Industries. This company is making significant strides in the renewable green energy and natural resources sectors. What sets Kotyark Industries apart is its manufacturing industry, nestled in the vibrant landscapes of Rajasthan. Here, the company is committed to producing biodiesel, an eco-friendly alternative to traditional fossil fuels. Kotyark Industries' financial performance is equally impressive. The company boasts a market capitalization of roughly 1,065 crore. With a 52-week high of 1,417.95 and a low of 261.75, it's clear that Kotyark Industries is making waves in the market. The company's return on equity sits at a respectable 20.1%, with a trailing 12-month earnings per share of 5.97. Over the past year, the company's return has skyrocketed to nearly 244%. Kotyark Industries' focus on biodiesel is a promising sign for its future. Last but not least, we have IREDA. As a non-banking financial company, IREDA plays a unique role in the renewable energy sector. It's the financial backbone for many renewable projects, providing funding where it's needed most. To date, IREDA has given out loans totaling over 105,000 crore rupees. What makes IREDA stand out is its diversified portfolio. From solar and wind energy to hydro and bioenergy, and even waste-to-energy projects, IREDA has its financial fingers in multiple pies. Its focus is not on a single type of renewable energy, but on the sector as a whole, making it a key player in the market. Speaking of the market, IREDA's performance is worth noting. Its market capitalization stands at approximately 4,762 crore rupees. Stock prices have seen highs of 215 rupees and lows of 49.99 rupees. IREDA's focus on financing various renewable energy projects makes it a noteworthy player in the sector. Each company has its unique strengths and contributions to the renewable sector. Which stock did you find most interesting? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.